Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Shahi Works. Today we are gonna solve another SQL LeetCode problem, which is department top 3 salaries. So in this problem I'm having the table 1 as employee, table 2 as department. Also in the input I'm having two tables as employee table, ID, name, salary, department ID, and also in department table ID and name. Here we want the output only as department, employee and salary. Here I can see the department falls in the table of the first table, and also the employee falls under the table of the name. Here the salary also from different ring. So now let's write a SQL query for it. So I'm gonna start it with select whatever you want your output table. I want department, so you have to find where the department is in employee table, right? So you have to write, it is in d dot name. So I want the name. I want d dot department. Since the table is department, I have written it as d dot name as department. Next, whatever you want as an output only you have to consider. Next, I want the employee, so e dot name as employee and salary as salary. From your table name, always your table name should be your input first table. Here my table name is employee, and I'm gonna use join, inner join department d on e dot department id should be equal to d dot department id. I'm using the where condition, opening a bracket, select. I want the salary as to be as count distinct, since because I'm having both the tables as salary unique name, so I have used distinct. From your table name, here I have assumed the table as employee e2, where e2 dot department id should be equal to e dot department id, and e2 dot salary should be greater than e dot salary, and I'm gonna close a bracket. And at last, this is what the condition is. Here I have used lesser than 3. So now if I run, you can able to see I got a runtime error, since because in third line department D on I have not left any space indentation. So if you do any mistakes, you will be able to get this runtime error. So I'm gonna correct it. Now if I run, you can able to see my output, my test case have been accepted. So indentations are also very important while writing your SQL queries. First, in output table I'm having the department, so you have to find where your department is in. My department is in employee table, so I have written it as d dot name as employee, department, and I want the employee, where you can able to see my employee is the name, so name and the employee. And at last I want the salary, so I have written it as e dot salary in salary. From your employee table, then I have used joins on where clause, and at last I have given the condition as department, where e2 dot department id should be equal to e dot department id. Thank you for your attention till now. Also, if you found this video was useful, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more useful contents like this.